As robots advance, will they become a new species? Will they really rebel against humans? Several researchers conducted tests on the world's most advanced robots. Researchers threw a cardboard box to the robot, which caught it steadily and then accurately threw it back. At that moment, a researcher behind suddenly kicked the robot down and then ruthlessly struck its back with a baseball bat. The robot still got up and threw the cardboard box back. The experiment then escalated. The robot had to climb stairs while throwing cardboard boxes with researchers. Meanwhile, others continuously threw balloons at the robot. Though the robot staggered, it still managed to complete the task well. Then, another researcher struck it down with a stick. The experiment continued. Researchers knocked down the thrown cardboard boxes, and when the robot bent down to pick them up, they kept teasing it by moving the boxes. Another researcher swung a chair and knocked the robot down. Despite this, the robot got up again to pick up the boxes. A researcher then smashed a bottle on its back, making it slightly unstable. Then, another person hit the robot with a baseball bat. Unexpectedly, the robot grabbed it and snatched it away, throwing it fiercely to the ground. Perhaps realizing the mistake, the robot automatically entered standby mode. The experiment continued. Researchers used spray to cover the robot's visual sensors, causing it to miss catching the cardboard box. When it bent down to pick it up, another researcher disturbed its sound sensors with a horn. Still, the robot ignored the interference and continued to pick up the box. Researchers kept whipping it and even started shooting at it with a pistol, but the robot persisted in completing its task. Next, two researchers played with the robot by tossing the cardboard box to each other and then smashing it towards the robot. This time, the robot was thoroughly angered. With a few swift movements, it knocked both researchers down and angrily threw away the box, walking away briskly. It even pulled out a pistol and expelled the researchers from the laboratory. However, shortly after, the robot regained its composure and resumed its role as the researchers' table. But the upcoming experiments would be even more brutal.